In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious, refreshing, and creamy mango milk recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 mangoes cubed, 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, 3 cups of ice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To a blender, we're going to add in the mangoes. Add the condensed milk, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and the milk, and we're going to blend until completely smooth. Once blended, we're going to add in the ice, and we're going to blend again until the ice is completely crushed. Now you can pour your mango milk into a cup. A refreshing and creamy mango milk is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.